Hello guys, welcome back here in the North Sea, and currently we are back at dynamic positioning operation with the subsea installation, and currently we are in a process of offshore crane operation. So mayroong pipick uping gamit sa subsea yung crane natin. At the same time, we're going just to be lifted up, then we move to safe handling zone, then we're going to bring it back on board. Then meron tayong ilo-lower na equipment. That's the same procedure. We are going to lower it few meters, then move tayo pabalik doon sa may location. So bali, ang ginagawa natin usually kapag mga ganyang may mga lifting operation ay iniingatan natin yung mga subsea assets na hindi siya into risk, just in case kung mahulog man yung pipick upin natin or anything which is hanging on the crane. Kung ano man ang mangyari ay hindi siya matatamaan. So kaya ang ginagawa natin kapag mayroon tayong nilift sa my crane, we proceed to the safe handling zone, then pick it up, bring it on board, then yung ilaland naman natin, pick upin natin from the deck, then lower it on the water. So dito sa may oil field na pinagtatrabahoan natin, so makikita po niyo there's a lot of activity going on. Mayroong mga anchor na nire-retrieve. So makikita po ninyo dyan yung dalawang anchor handling vessel. Tapos nandyan po yung tanker which currently they are offloading from the Glen Lyon. So yung field na pinagtatrabaho natin ay medyo busy talaga. Maraming activity ang nangyayari, ay maraming operation. So dito sa may Schiehallion oil field ay talagang medyo currently busy po yung operation dito ngayon here in the North Sea. So makikita po ninyo kapag mayroong nagwa-washing na mga kasama natin, so meaning crew change is fast approaching. Yan po.